Hello YouTube, it's your boy Glen Mosaic. This is your first time hearing me speak. What do you think I sounded like? Please let me know down in the comments below. Okay, so today we are updating our channel's banner from the one I had since 2021 when I started my digital art journey. Today I'm updating it. So stick with me and let's finish this up. Okay, so I'm using the Adobe Illustrator app to make my YouTube banner. So I'll go with a dimension of 1707 pixels by 282 pixels. So that will be the ideal dimension for a YouTube channel's banner where everything can fit in. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, so create it. Yeah, so this area which you see, this white area, that's the artboard. I'm going to put some artworks over here which I've made since I started this channel. Yeah, to fit in here. So I'll put them, copy them from my files and paste them here one by one. And arrange them in an order, in a nice order to fit here. I just finished about some 6 or 7 months ago. Okay, I'll choose. Let me use this one. Okay, guys, this is it. This is the first drawing I'm adding to my YouTube banner. Okay, let's copy it. Ctrl+C. Let's put it somewhere here. Pasted it. Let me name it Deadpool and Wolverine. Let's go for more. I'm trying to fill up this space that you see over here. Okay, so yeah, my final picks. I chose about 20 artworks of mine to fit as my YouTube banner. Let me zoom in so you can see them up close. Yes, I have Jason Voorhees here, Chuck Norris, a friend. This is my brother here, Bruce Lee. We have Kratos MM here, Deacon St. John from Days Gone, the legendary MJ, Ice Cold Palmer, Ice Spice, Dembele, and another friend here, Numero. Yeah, in this particular artwork, I made this one way back in 2020, I think. Yeah, this is my first digital artwork. When I started doing digital art, I used to draw on paper back then, but I transitioned onto the computer, learn how to use Adobe Illustrator and After Effects, and yeah, so yeah, yes. Now it's time. The time we've all been waiting for is here. I'm going to fit everything into the artboard. So let's finish it up. It's now time for our banner upload. So get into the YouTube studio. Now scroll down to see customization on the left, bottom left here. Click on that. Now under the profile, you see banner image. Let's click on change. And one more time, rescale the image. After I exported a PNG file, I copied and pasted it onto a new Illustrator file. I made that 1296 by 1296 pixels. I was able to choose the correct size in the YouTube preview. So you see that very soon. Let me see, scale new. This is what you just created. Now time for the alignment. Let's align it until it fits somewhat perfectly. Okay, I think that's that. So you click on done and now publish. Let's wait for it to finish. Okay, loading. Now let's go to our channel. Yeah, so there we have it. Yeah, congrats guys, we are done with it. Now this is my new beautiful channel's banner. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you are new to this channel, and see you in the next. Stay cold.